In 2007, when the first iPhone launched, it changed everything. People laughed at the idea of a touchscreen-only phone. Now, fast forward to today, Apple, Samsung, and Google dominate the smartphone industry. But what if a new player stepped in? A company known for revolutionizing electric cars, space travel, and even AI. That's exactly what's happening with Tesla's latest announcement. The 2025 Tesla Pi phone is coming, and it's not just another smartphone. It's a complete game changer. Elon Musk has never been afraid to push boundaries, and this phone is packed with features that sound straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's dive into the 7 mind-blowing features that could shake up the industry. First, the Pi phone is rumored to have built-in satellite connectivity. No more relying on traditional cell towers. This means you could be in the middle of nowhere, deep in a forest, out in the ocean, or even in the desert, and still have a signal. Thanks to Tesla's Starlink, users will have global coverage without needing a SIM card. This could be huge for travelers, remote workers, and even emergency situations. Next up, solar charging. Imagine never having to scramble for a charger again. Tesla's solar panel technology is reportedly being integrated into the phone's body. Even a few minutes of sunlight could give you enough battery to make calls or send messages. With battery life being one of the biggest complaints in modern smartphones, this feature alone could be a game changer. Now let's talk about AI. The Tesla Pi phone isn't just another smartphone. It's rumored to come with a built-in AI assistant powered by Tesla's advanced neural networks. Unlike Siri or Google Assistant, this AI could understand complex commands, learn from your habits, and even automate tasks for you. Imagine your phone booking flights, adjusting your Tesla car settings, or even analyzing your emails for urgent messages, all without you lifting a finger. Then there's the camera. While Apple and Samsung focus on improving their lenses, Tesla is taking things a step further. Reports suggest the Pi phone could feature a 108-megapixel ultra-low-light camera with astrophotography capabilities. If true, this means capturing high-quality images of the stars, planets, or even the moon with your phone. Perfect for space enthusiasts or anyone who just loves taking incredible night shots. Speaking of futuristic, Tesla's Neuralink technology might also play a role. This one is still in early speculation. But imagine a phone that could be controlled with just your thoughts. No more typing, swiping, or even speaking. Just think of a command, and the phone responds. While this might not be fully ready by 2025, if anyone could make it happen, it's Elon Musk. And of course, Tesla is known for its obsession with speed. The Pi phone is expected to be one of the fastest devices ever, running on a custom Tesla chip that outperforms Apple's A-series and Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors. This means faster loading times, smoother gaming, and better AI performance. Pair this with a high refresh rate display, and it could be a dream for gamers and power users. Finally, let's talk about Tesla's potential software integration. This phone won't just be a standalone device. It could be an extension of Tesla's ecosystem. If you own a Tesla car, the Pi phone might allow full remote control, real-time diagnostics, and even AI-assisted driving suggestions. It could be the ultimate smart device, linking everything from your car to your home energy system. With all these groundbreaking features, the 2025 Tesla Pi phone could be the biggest disruption in the smartphone industry since the original iPhone. Will it replace Apple and Samsung? That's yet to be seen. But one thing is certain. Elon Musk is once again redefining what's possible,